Well, the satellite market for backhauling has changed significantly during the last years. The first reason is that the capacity required has improved and increased dramatically during the last years and projects that we have, mainly because 4G expansion in our markets that are mainly the Americas, Latin America, to be more concrete. So we are living, expansion of 4G in the countries where we work, and the capacity required has been increased very well. So this is the main impact. Of course, from our technology, we have also evolved from previous wide-beam satellites where we serve in C-band and afterwards in Ku-band. We are moving now to high-throughput satellites with more efficiency, more capacity, and in some cases we are also using Ka high-throughput satellites to serve backhaul customers. The MNOs has really high requirements in terms of quality, performances, and integration. So, what we are doing first of all is improve the efficiency and the performance of our services, and in that case, we work with the platform vendors that help us to squeeze technology to provide more and more bandwidth and performances that they require. The other topic, or the other important issue for them, for the MNOs, are the integration. So we have to connect our platforms to their core networks, being 2G, 3G, and 4G. Each technology has different requirements, and so we have worked together with them to make this integration between cellular backhaul services and satellite seamless. So they define really demanding KPIs where we have to work not only from the satellite perspective but also from the ground segment. And the other topic is obviously cost. That is directly to the efficiency, related to the efficiency and the other elements that I mentioned. That MNOs has a direct or a difficult market in terms of revenues per user, per capacity. The capacity is being increased, but what they are receiving from the users is being low day by day. So they are pushing a lot the satellite service providers to reduce costs. So that's why we incorporate a creative approach in terms of satellite architectures and terrestrial architectures to serve this kind of customers. In terms of markets, from Hispasat we serve Europe, North of Africa, and Americas. And definitely in Latin America is the regions where we are seeing more and more expansion in terms of backhaul projects. Currently, 50% of the population in Latin America has not access to the internet. And we are seeing now how the MNOs are expanding more and more their networks because of their commercial plans, but also because of the regulatory and government requirements. So we expect in the coming years to serve more and more customers in Latin America for these projects. But also we are serving other more, let's say, mature markets like US. So we have a couple of projects here in the US to serve to help the expansion of 4G and 5G networks here. So there is also a need in other countries that are not so normal to require backhaul services that are asking for this kind of solutions. In terms of technology, we are seeing a good evolution of the technology that is being related to the 5G ecosystem. So it doesn't mean that it's a 5G network, but there are some solutions like, for example, the edge delivery that is helping us to develop new services and products for the MNO. So we expect in the coming years that more technologies that are coming from the 5G ecosystem, let's say, for example, SD-WAN, all the S delivery, the network slicing, to help also us to propose new services and solutions for the MNOs. According to the main consultancy studies, what we expect is a tremendous increase of the capacity demand. Currently in all the world is being consumed around, I don't know, it's around 100 to 200 gigabits per second of capacity, and we will see that this will grow in 5 years to, thousands of megabits of capacity. So there will be a very big increase of capacity. So we are very positive about the demand for satellite services in this market segment. For example, currently the satellite market connects less than 100,000 of base stations, and it is expected that the marketing opportunity will reach around 200,000 in also 5-10 years from now. So from the market perspective, the business will grow significantly. From the technology perspective, we hope that the satellite network will be fully integrated in what we can call 5G, or the future evolution of the mobile technology. So we expect that the new standards and technologies help us to surpass the technology limitations that we may have today, so that the network will be orchestrated in a seamless way, and no matter if it's a satellite or a mobile network, so everything will be a single network. This is what technologies are working right now, and we expect that in the coming 5 years, as you asked, we will have more and more integration in this direction.